The Lazy Man is a popular fable about a man who avoids work and mistakenly believes divine intervention will provide for him, leading to a harsh lesson when he encounters a crippled fox fed by a lion. A wise sage teaches him that God intended him to be like the active, strong lion, not the helpless, passive fox, urging him to use his own abilities and act rather than wait for effortless help. The story's moral emphasizes taking action, understanding signs correctly, and helping others. The story The Lazy Man. A very lazy man always looked for the easiest way to get by and refused to work. The fox and the lion. While searching for food, he saw a lion leave a portion of its meat for a crippled, two-legged fox. Misinterpretation. The lazy man, witnessing this, thought God had a special plan for him and would also provide for him without him having to lift a finger. Waiting for food. He sat under a tree, expecting someone to feed him, just as the lion had fed the fox. The sage's wisdom. After 2 days without food, a wise sage found him. The lazy man explained his story, questioning why God seemed to be helping the fox, but not him. The true meaning. The sage explained that the lazy man had misunderstood God's sign. He was meant to be like the lion, who was proactive and strong enough to provide for others, rather than like the fox, who was helpless. The moral: take action. The story highlights the importance of being proactive and using your own strengths to achieve your goals, instead of passively waiting for help. Right perspective. It encourages people to understand signs and situations in the correct way, and to view things positively to make the right decisions for success. Personal responsibility. The fable teaches that true success comes from personal effort and the right choices, not from relying on external circumstances or luck.